how to transfer money from SafePal to bank account. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can transfer money from SafePal to bank account. Now to do so is simple. Alright, the first step is to log in into your SafePal account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you can see your SafePal, you can see your balance, you can see different kinds of cryptocurrencies that you can get on this particular application. So once you can see that, the next step is for you to select the cryptocurrency that you would like to transfer into your account. All right, so you have to select the cryptocurrency. And so SafePal does not support fiat withdrawals. So you'd have to change your currency or cryptocurrency into a fiat. All right, and after you do that, after selecting the currency that you would like, that you have in your SafePal, that you would like to send to your bank account, click on swap. After clicking on swap, you'll be brought to the swapping page. So on this page, you can see pay, receive. So click on the receive box and then type out a fiat currency, which for example USDT fall under. So after selecting that, after selecting that, you would see other supported coins. So just go ahead and cancel that. And so once you've selected the one that you'd like to convert it to, it will be displayed here. Then click on swap. So once you've swapped the coin and you now have your fiat currency, the next step is for you to transfer the fiat currency to a cryptocurrency exchange that supports bank withdrawals. This is because SafePal does not support bank withdrawals. You cannot transfer money from SafePal directly to a bank account. So you would have to transfer the fiat, the money you've swapped, you converted, to a cryptocurrency exchange that supports bank withdrawals, which includes Binance, Coinbase, etc. And so to do that, you would have to open the exchange app. So for example, if I am making use of Binance, I'll just go to my Binance application, and then the next step would be to go to the deposit section and then copy the deposit address for the fiat currency. All right, so after copying the deposit address, go back to SafePal and then click on send. And so the next step would be to send the fiat currency to the exchange, to the wallet address that I've pasted. And then once you've done that, scroll down, fill in all the necessary instructions, click on next, enter in your transaction password, click on send. And then once the money has been sent, go to your Binance or your Coinbase or any other exchange that you made use of. And then once you're there, move to the withdrawal section, select your bank account as the withdrawal destination, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and then confirm the transactions. And then the funds will be transferred to your bank account after the exchange process the withdrawal. So you can see how it works. So this is how you can transfer money from SafePal to your bank account. Thank you for watching and have a good day.